Hello, hello, hello. I know it's been a while since I did a recording, but I eat a bowl of cereal. I can't find any available bowls right now, so I'm going to have to eat out of this. And it's just Frosted Flakes. This is my favorite. Mm-mm-mm. It's cloudy outside. Mm. So, Mukbang is more. Mm. I don't know what else to do with my hair, so I just wrap this thing on and pull it out. So I guess this is like a puff or whatever on the side to wash my hair. Mm. What's the place is my favorite. How you guys doing after this cover? I'm at my desk because after this I'm about to do some online shopping. Hubby's at work. I cooked yesterday. I'm so tired. I didn't feel like filming really. I did film the cats eating, but I didn't feel like filming my food. Cook a lot. Just people don't understand. It's a lot of work when you preparing Thanksgiving meals. It's a lot of work. To me, the turkey is easy. That's the easy part. It's doing them sides. If you make dessert, cooking that preparation is a lot of work. I only made mac and cheese, um, stuffing, cornbread stuffing, the turkey of course. And I didn't feel like making potato salad, so my husband tried to do last minute shopping, which I want him not to do, but he was trying to find something, couldn't find none, so I had to whip something together. I had to make coleslaw. It all worked out. And that's it. And we just sat around, watched some shows. New season of Rufus is out. We've been waiting for months for it to come out. He's at work now, and then he's off again this weekend, so. Mm. Never had to add sugar to this. Yeah, they put bananas in here. And that's it. It's fun. I miss doing vlogs. I gotta do a lot more vlogs. But anyway, thank you for watching. Do my little cereal mukbang. And that's it. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like this video. Like, check all the information in the description box. And that's it.